Revolution was founded 11 years back on this very Earth Day, 22nd April 2010, and it is committed to restore our Earth through its various activities. CGR achieved 3.4 million saplings plantation as a mission across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states in India, involving diverse stakeholders and especially children, the future generation, and adopted various models for successful implementation, and strived for conservation of Eastern Ghats by networking with researchers, academicians, policymakers, students, media, and various other stakeholders across the important 5 states in India, that is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. And this Eastern Ghats was less focused as it is fragmented, and various other ecological hotspots had been looked at. So we have focused on the conservation of this issue and conducted several national level conferences too. And a former president of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee, he was impressed with our documentation of the challenges and the solutions that we had done in the form of a book, that is Eastern Ghats Environment Outlook, and it was released by him. And we have started the Earth Center at Anmaspalli, Kartal, Hyderabad, to nurture leadership for restoring our Earth and achieve sustainable development. And our sustainable villages models is to start strengthening the grassroots for restoring Earth. And this particular international event today, and by networking with the experts here, we are looking the global networks to be established and communicate on the challenges that we have related mostly on environment and sustainable development goals, and share commonly the resources, and together we work for achieving the sustainable development goals. This is in brief about our CGR and our ambitions in the near future. And Professor K. Purushottam Reddy, he is a renowned environmentalist, and he is very acclaimed nationally, internationally for his work, untiring work for the right from the policies to grassroots level communities in creating awareness on all aspects related to environment, including the sustainable development goals. And with this, he could reach millions of people and create awareness and make them sensitized about the issues. And many policies were made because of his continuous work. And it also stopped some of the actions of the governments which could have jeopardized the environment. And he is also a mentor for many of us here in this group in the Council for Green Revolution, and he is a constant supporter for all our initiatives. Thank you very much, sir.